Meet the Czinger 21C, the hypercar of tomorrow. Get ready to discover the Czinger 21C, a $2 million masterpiece that combines cutting-edge technology with eco-conscious design. Built with 3D printed parts, this hypercar isn't just another luxury car. It's a glimpse into the future of automotive engineering. This 1,250 GP beast accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds, powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 and 2 electric motors. Its power-to-weight ratio is unparalleled, highlighting its engineered precision and innovative spirit. Cinger's visionary approach integrates digital manufacturing, replacing traditional methods with 3D printing. This flexibility allows for unique, efficient car designs, positioning the 21C as a true leader in sustainability and technological advancement. Inspired by aviation, Kevin Jinger and his team blend aerospace-level innovation with automotive expertise. This results in a vehicle that isn't just a car, but a technological marvel, backed by significant patent-backed breakthroughs. Embark on a journey with the Czinger 21C and redefine luxury driving. This is an opportunity to be at the forefront of automotive transformation. Dive into the world of extreme performance and unparalleled design. Explore the future, own the revolution.